Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram profile picture in full size. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app. After opening, go to that username which you want to view that username profile picture in full size like this. Just you need to note down that username. So just I want to view this username profile picture. After this guys, close your Instagram and open any browser on your device, and here in the Google you want to search guys InstaDP viewer like this, and here you need to open this first link, and here just you need to enter that username. After this guys, just you need to search that username. So it will take few seconds to load the result, and after this guys you can get that profile here as you can see. So just here you need to select full size like this, and here that profile picture will show in full size as you can see. If you want to download, just tap on download button, the profile picture will download on your device. That's it, very simple. So this is the way to view any username profile picture in full size. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.